How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. Alright, we're going to give an update on our hive that we removed out of the tree. See how they are doing. We are warm January 10th right now. It's nice. So give them a check. We're going to also be giving them some food because they definitely don't have enough for the remainder of winter. So we have a little medium frame here. We have some more that we need to thaw out, but before we give them more of that, we're also going to give them one of our sugar cakes. We're also going to be giving them some frames, and they're going to clean these up for us over the time being. You know, give them a little bit of work. Everybody has to earn their keep. Give them a little bit of smoke, but these two frames right here, we're going to be taken out. Put them off to the side. And see if we can find that queen again. And what we're going to do with these, so there's 4 frames in here. What we're going to do with these, we're going to put these in the nuke box right quick, and then we are going to transfer them all over here right quick. Safe holding. We're going to dump out this bottom box. Get it cleaned up. And they've already attached some of the comb. Look for a queen. Make sure that she's still viable. And they're just a tiny little cluster. Just a tiny little cluster of bees from a tree. And there she is. Let's see if you guys can see her. She's right there. She is a pretty queen. They're definitely active. For those that have followed us for a while, you notice I don't wear gloves very often, but in the winter time I make sure that I have them on, because you just never know how the bees are going to be. Right now, even though it's warmer, it's not great conditions for them. So we're going to scrape this out right quick. Alright, there we go. That was just all that junk from the tree itself. Alright, now we're going to put these back in. We're just going to put them back in the same way that we took them out. Alright, so there's the 4 frames that we got out of the hive. And what we're going to do is we're going to give them this food so that they have some food on them. And we're going to give them these 2 frames so that they can clean them up for us. They came out of a dead out, and just use them to, they got food on them too, but the comb will help insulate that hive, give them a little bit more protection. And then what we are going to do is give them one of our sugar bricks. Pierce the bottom like so. And what we do is we just place this right scoot these bees out of the way. Try not to smash any. There's not a lot in here, you know. So then they got some food. They have food on them now, and we'll keep an eye on them. They're very active right now. They'll settle back down though. This will fit on here. There we go. We'll just do it like that. We don't have the feeders in here, so you know, and they will get back in their hive. All right, so you know, not too terribly bad, but they are a very small colony. I mean, I would say a frame or two of bees. Probably not worth trying to mess with, but if we can get some work out of them, get those frames cleaned up, that would be good. And you know, who knows, if we get too cold, then we won't have, you know, they probably won't pull through, but we never know. And we'll see. Some of these queens can be very, very good. We have found out over the years that we getting from some of these bee trees, and other times they're just not worth anything, and it's one of those things. Alright, well, that's how the bee tree removal is looking today. Like I said, it's January 10th, and we will keep you updated, and we'll monitor them throughout the winter, see what they do. You guys have a good one. See ya.